Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm the Revy AP from the Dope Fiends Comics. Thank you for joining us on this new video for our YouTube tutorial playlist. Here's a quick anecdote. When I was a kid, I would go over to my friend's house to spend the night, and we had this kind of ritual where we would try and stay up later than his parents so that we could watch a movie on the TV VCR in the living room. Now, inevitably, I would fall asleep halfway through the movie until my friend figured out that if I had something in my hands, even if it was a G.I. Joe or a couple Legos or just something to do with my hands while we were watching the movie, I would stay awake longer. Although, I still don't know if I've seen the end of Total Recall. But that's an aside. What I wanted to bring that up for is because I wish I had one of these when I was a kid, a Fidget Cube. I think it would have helped me stay awake during all those movies. Now, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about these Fidget Cubes, and there's a lot of unboxings. Let's start taking the stickers off of it right now. I've seen a lot of videos about how to destroy a Fidget Cube so you can see what's inside, but I actually haven't seen any videos on what the fidget applications are, how to play with it. So this is a Zuru Fidget Cube by Antsy Labs. Let's go ahead and learn how to fidget with this guy.
We'll begin with the most recognizable side, the joystick. The joystick is perhaps the easiest fidget application to use. Simply press the joystick in the direction you want to go, and you're off. The joystick also incorporates a handy spring-loaded feature, so you can simply tap up whenever you'd like to jump. Tap jump twice in a row to perform a double jump. The second side of the Fidget Cube gives you control over the Sneetch from Phantasm. Simply unlock the dimensional portal with the built-in child-proof combination lock, and then use the glider control to bring forth a deadly sphere that you can unleash upon your enemies.
Where did all these stupid weeds come from? I just cleaned this yard. I'll show you. Now go forth and do my bidding.
Side 3 of the Fidget Cube features the switch. This can be used to enter Jiju mode whenever being a baby giraffe is convenient.
It's your turn to do the dishes.
You know what? I think it's my turn to,
Oh, don't even dare. What? Again? No. Oh.
Giraffes don't do dishes. We don't have toes, Sudi.
When switching to Jiju mode isn't enough, you can use the fourth side fidget application, the Tune Out feature. Just rotate the dial until all of your worries fade away.
The problem with the whole thing is that he just wrote it backwards. If you find out in the third episode that Luke and Leia are his children, by the time you get to the Empire Strikes Back, it's just not a good surprise.
Of course, no Fidget Cube would be complete without side 5, the buttons. This side features an array of pre-programmable buttons to help you activate your favorite functions. The last side of the Fidget Cube simulates the blissful meditation of release as you gently caress the smooth, flat worry surface. Like traditional worry stones, you can use this side of the cube whenever you begin to feel agitated or overwhelmed.
You know, whenever the Chief Cheeto is speaking.
My fellow Americans, as President of the United States, my highest obligation is to ensure the safety and security of the American people. History has shown that the longer we ignore a threat, the more dangerous that threat becomes. For this reason, upon taking office, I've ordered a complete strategic review of our policy toward the rogue.
Puppies. Well, there you have it. That's how to use all 6 sides of the Fidget Cube. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All of our social media has links from our website, www.thedopefiends.com, where you will also find lots of great comics, animation, crochet, and much more. So thanks again for watching. Tune in next time.